Welcome to my car and train channel. Today I want to share with you this significant track. We are here in Bucyrus, Ohio. It belongs to Mid Electronic, and there was a recent post on Facebook. So on my way between Cincinnati and Sandusky, I thought it was a good opportunity to stop by and look at their operation. I can tell you it's significant. Wow. The typical Ohio covered bridge. And behind it, you have the real train track. Based on a lot of driving around, I can tell you, it's really, there is a huge network of train tracks, so the full size. There is quite a bit of track here. Look at this diamond crossing here. It has been milled out of a steel plate, obviously. That's quite a dense network of tracks. And of course a lot of memorabilia. So this is an advanced remote for the switch which is here, which I think it's very smart to do that with the cable. That gives me some ideas for my own. Instead of levers. So you can see that those are the plastic ties. Perhaps the acute ties. I see that a lot has been replaced recently. There used to be wood, and you can guess that it has been recent because the screws are very shiny, whereas the ones that have been long outside are not that shiny. And I think that the track is expanding, so let's perhaps go here. Oh yes, it's going. So it's very intricate, using the nature, the trees. And here you have a triangle. Again, the covered bridge, so common in Ohio. Wow, it goes on and on and on. So I think here is the end. It's the loop. And you can see over there, it's the returning loop, which is here. And here we have a loading ramp, which is very smart. Here we go. So, huge track that I am happy to share with all the train fans. And in the background, so the real train and the small train. And here it's a very dense. We are in Bucyrus, Ohio, where they used to make a lot of railroad equipments, including the very famous crane to move along the rail cars or the locomotive that have derailed. That was a short train. So let's finish the track completely here. As mentioned earlier, you can see that the wooden ties have been replaced by the now very popular plastic ties that require less maintenance. I would assume 7.5. Here we are at the limit between 7.25 and 7.5, but mostly Cincinnati is the dividing line between 7.25 and 7.5. But mostly now it's all 7.5, including Cincinnati and going west. Let me walk this one, which is the loading area. So here it's very smart because you can load directly a trailer. The switch nothing special about it. Let's go under the covered bridge and returning to the main station. Oh, I like this one. This mechanism. Okay. Not sure what the Bleu is, although it seems that it's for communication with the signal system. So electric wiring. Again, fairly sophisticated and elaborate operation. The coal for the steam locomotives. Well, thank you for watching this video. I have many more live steam tracks on the car and train channel.